Hey guys, it's Tom here, One Valley Woodworks. So I have my shop vac here. That's a dust collection system I've hooked up to that cyclone. It goes all around my shop. It's all my tools. I just want a little bit more power out of my shop vac. I got it from Harbor Freight for about 300 bucks. And I did some deep dive research. Found this propeller here for about 50 bucks from Win. I'm gonna show you real time how I take my dust collection apart, put this bad boy in. Let's go. All right, you guys, everything's buttoned up on my dust collector right there. I'm just gonna do a little test and see if it actually does make a difference. Even with all that friction loss on the overhead dust arm, you still get good suction, all because of that new propeller. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Take care.